Hello and welcome. Thanksgiving is very powerful. Thanksgiving helps us acknowledge what we have, no matter how little, and we are thankful. When we are grateful in small things, we get more, and God can trust us with even bigger things or greater things. My mom always said, better have a little, which is blessed. Thanksgiving brings contentment and fulfillment since one learns how to appreciate what one has. Thanksgiving cultivates a positive attitude and outlook of things. If we strictly pay attention onto what we lack or what we don't have, we will never have enough. This may lead to frustration, depression, bitterness, comparing oneself with others instead of oneself, not being content with the gift one has. It's important for each and every one of us to pray for a thankful heart. And remember, the scripture tells us to give thanks in everything. So be thankful for whatever you have and for whatever or whichever situation you're going through. You are not alone. Thanksgiving unlocks doors. Thank you and strive to always have a thankful heart. Until then, bye and thanks for watching. Credo in unum Deum.